You lift the glass.
Just one sip, warm, harmless, but inside your body,
Something ancient just woke up. Within seconds, your cells are screaming, your liver is scrambling, and your brain, the part that controls self, starts to glitch. And the wild part? This chaos will last exactly 24 hours. That one sip didn't stay in your mouth. It's spreading, silently, into your blood, your brain, your DNA. What happens next isn't what you think.
because right now, at the molecular level, your body is fighting to survive something it can't even recognize as an enemy. So let's go inside, hour by hour, to see what that single sip does to you.
From the moment it touches your tongue to the second your body begs for mercy. Hour 01. The invasion begins. Within minutes, ethanol molecules flood your bloodstream. They slip through your stomach walls, bypass barriers, and head straight for your brain. Your neurons, the command center, start to malfunction. Messages slow down. Coordination breaks, and yet
You feel relaxed. That's the trap. It's not calm.
it's suppression. Your brain's danger alarms are being muted, and deep inside your cells,
Something darker happens. Your mitochondria start choking on the alcohol's toxic byproduct.
acetaldehyde. It's 30 times more toxic than the alcohol itself. Hour 1 to 6, the metabolic war. Your liver takes command. It's the cleanup crew, but it's overwhelmed. Every second, it tries to break down ethanol using enzymes called ADH and ALDH. But these enzymes aren't perfect. They spill poison. That poison, acetaldehyde, floats through your bloodstream, damaging proteins, DNA, and even the walls of your blood vessel. Your heart starts working harder.
Your skin flushes, and your brain.
Starts swelling slightly. Inside your skull, billions of neurons begin shrinking, dehydrated by the alcohol pulling water out of your brain cell.
That's why your thoughts feel blurry. Your brain is literally drying out. Hour 6 through 12, the silent burn. Your stomach is now under siege.
Alcohol has stripped away its protective mucus layer. Acid leaks onto raw tissue. Tiny ulcers form. In your bloodstream, your immune system panics. White blood cells flood your organs, mistaking damage for infection. You start feeling nauseous, dizzy, and drained. But the real horror is invisible. Your DNA repair systems are now working overtime because alcohol just caused mutations inside your cells. Hour 12:18, the brain rebellion. The alcohol is gone from your blood, but your brain hasn't recovered. Neurotransmitters, dopamine, GABA, glutamate, are all out of balance. Your brain is now in withdrawal. That's why anxiety spikes, your heart races,
And your hands shake. Your sleep isn't rest. It's chaotic.
restless microdreams caused by rebound activity. And if you listen closely, you'd hear it. Your brain's electrical rhythm is literally buzzing louder than normal. That's not just hangover, it's your neurons screaming to reset. Hour 18:24. The aftermath, your body begins repairs. Liver cells regenerate.
Electrolytes rebalance. But deep inside your DNA, some scars remain.
A few cells carry mutations that might not heal.
That's the biological price of a harmless sip. By hour 24, your systems look calm again.
But the truth is, your body's chemistry, your sleep pattern, even your gut bacteria are still off balance. It'll take days for complete recovery, all from one single sip. And here's the part no one talks about. Your body doesn't just process alcohol, it remembers it. Each time you drink, those micro damages stack.
Liver cells die younger.
Brain cells reconnect slower. And one day, your body stops repairing altogether. All it takes is one more sip. Now imagine what happens when the opposite chemical, caffeine, hits the same system.
One wakes your brain.
The other kills it slowly. Which one wins inside you? That's the next story. Inside Dr. Sanai.